In this animation, we will show the repair of the ACL in the knee using TightRope RT implant. The ACL is a ligament that stabilizes the femur and the tibia. Certain types of ACL tears can be repaired, meaning your surgeon can keep the original ligament and reattach it to the bone. If your surgeon determines that you are a candidate for ACL repair, they can perform the minimally invasive surgery using a small camera, special surgical instruments, and suture. First, suture is placed in the intact, healthy portion of the ACL. And 2 additional repair sutures are passed through the ligament that is torn away from the bone. Next, the repair sutures are passed through a special implant. Together, they are passed through the tear site and tightened to reattach the ligament to the bone. Finally, the internal brace suture is passed through the tibia and secured using an additional anchor. This completes the repair of a torn ACL.